People often ask me, how do pharmaceutical companies use inbound processes to build better relationships with healthcare professionals? Well, the truth is, healthcare professionals do not make split decisions on prescribing medicines. They use their years of experience, their clinical background, their medical education, their relationships with trusted peers and networks to make those decisions. And the idea that a clinician will see a pharma promotional ad or an outbound communication and immediately change their mind on what kind of medicine to prescribe to a particular patient is, to me, quite absurd. Of course, ads and outbound content has its place in marketing, and I would highly advocate for using traditional advertising to keep brand awareness high and keep people aware of your product so that they know it's available to them when they need it. But if you want to start changing behavior, you're going to have to produce a much deeper and more engaging journey than a typical outbound ad. And this is the power of inbound. If you're able to use your marketing to deliver regular, valuable, and informative content to healthcare professionals, not about your product, but within the content niche, then you will be able to build more engagement opportunities with them. They'll regularly engage with your digital ecosystem and with your people, and as time goes on, they will build trust in your content. This means that when they do have a situation where your product might be relevant, they are much more likely to come to you with questions than seek information elsewhere. If you use an inbound approach, you're able to see when a clinician interacts with content or an activity that is related to a product. For example, they may be looking at recent guidelines, or they may interact with a specific case study that's about your product. At this point, you know they're interested. So then your sales team can engage with them in a place where they feel that it's appropriate, and you won't really annoy them and take time away from their proper job, which is to look after patients. So I think that it's not only an effective way to market, I also think it's the right way for pharmaceuticals to engage with busy healthcare professionals.